Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Gemini chat history. So let's get started. Well, two ways to do this. You can delete a single chat or delete all your chat history. To delete a single chat, just open your Gemini app, then tap on the three-line menu in the top left corner. And here, under recent, touch and hold the chat you want to delete. Then tap on delete and finally tap confirm. And to delete all chat history, you have to again tap on the three-line menu again. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Next, tap on Gemini apps activity. And here just scroll down and tap on delete. And here you can choose last server, last day, or all time, or custom range. Just choose one and then confirm to delete your chat history. And if you see an error, simply close the app and try again. Sometimes it takes another try. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechGems for more helpful tech tutorial. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.